Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's do a sound check and see if you guys can hear me clearly, and then we can take it from here. How's my sound, guys? Let's see what we've got here. Is my sound well, guys? Sound is perfect. Awesome, guys. Let's take a look at what's happening, see what we can find on the markets today, and if we can't take advantage. And remember, guys, it's a Friday, so you want to be careful. You don't want to just dive into the markets blindly without understanding what could potentially go wrong. Okay. Let's go into the market. Let's remove all these pairs from yesterday, which we did some on here, and then we'll see if we can't find something beautiful. Remember, guys, we're not chasing perfection, we're chasing consistency. Okay. Risk management, optimal risk management. I cannot stress that any more. Awesome. I see Boris wants us to look at US 30. That's actually the only request that I see right now. Let's see. I think I still have yesterday's or the analysis we did on Wednesday, which is still valid. This is where price is. We're just waiting for it to get into these levels here. And then once it does, we're expecting to go up with it. So we'll see how that looks. And then dropping down to the lower time frame. We're still good to go. We're still going to watch the daily zone, watch how it goes into that level, into this 33891, 33754 level. And then just wait for it to hit that level and swing back up. That's it for this US 30, so it's still valid. We did Bitcoin the other day, and it turned pretty soon. I was expecting it to drop a bit lower, drop into this 4845 level before swinging back up. But I see on the hourly, there is a bit of a level formed here, which could be a good point of entry for a long. Should price drop down there again, but overall we are looking at price getting into this level, either drop to this level or drop to this one and then swing back up. But I see it turn too quick. We'll see how it behaves at these price points as well, and then just watch how it works around these levels. So the 48203 level, it's a good point to watch. And also the 43985.77, it's another good area to watch out for. So Bitcoin is still watching it, so I want to see how it behaves, and hopefully we'll get a good buy entry from that level. And then I see somebody here wants us to look at UCAD. Welcome, Naveen. Do I know Phantom FX? No, I don't. What do they do? Let's see, UCAD. It's a Friday, guy. You have to take it really, really easy today, guys. Don't rush into positions, and let's see how it works from there. So UCAD broke our level. This was our area of interest for a sell, and then this was our area of interest for a buy. It broke that level, and I see it went directly to these levels. Also broke those. So it's a pretty difficult one to watch out for. But I wouldn't also focus on this one. I would need it to settle a bit before getting in. And yeah, that's about it actually. There is a bit of a, if you watch the structure here, so we should get something along these lines. So probably have this area holding, this whole area here, probably have it holding. We do have a POS here targeting these highs, so you probably get a nice drop into this level here, and I would watch how it behaves. This is a longer term view, by the way, so I wouldn't really count on this happening anytime soon, but it is a good area to watch for. And yeah, that's about it for 16. So I'd probably want to go halfway in it and look at something along these lines. So I'd wait for price to come back down here and go all the way up to those levels. And even this area here, it's a good point to watch in this area right here. It's a good point to watch, but I'll probably stick to this one. And let me just put an alert here, just to get an alert when price drops into that area. And yeah, so you'd wait for price to do this on the UCAD, something along these ranges. So just keep watching it. Keep watching it. You'll be surprised when this happens. Okay. And then I see there's EAGU. Okay. I see Naveen asking, when you set markups, do you do pending orders or we do it market exec? So we don't use we use stop orders, not limit orders, and we don't use market execution. We also want to use momentum. Check out our Wushu toolbox, and then you'll see how we execute most of our trades. Okay, let's just take a look at EA and GU, see what we've got on those. EA, switch over to the higher time frame, of course. Probably gonna get the same type of setup as the one I just did now. Yeah, definitely. The break of structure went up again here. So we're looking at something along these ranges. We would watch this area again, have a nice point there to look out for, expecting price to drop into this level, pick up again, bullish of course, but using the classic strategy, I don't see anything happening there. So EA, we'll just have to leave and watch for now, watch what it does as it drops into these levels. And then GU, let's see what GU has. There's not really much happening today, I must say. Not really much happening. So on the daily, we see prices at a good area of interest. Dropping to the lower time frame. Okay, probably use these areas here. I just don't like the wicks, but that's why we use our stop order setup instead of limit orders. So if price does go outside your levels, then you don't really get affected by it. You'll just miss that trade. Drop again into the 15 just to find a good level of entry. So probably look at something along these ranges. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. There we go. probably go into that level there. And if the stop loss range is too much, 9 pips, not bad. So that could work. So we are looking at something along these ranges, targeting all these levels here. So target this one here, these ones here. So it doesn't really matter where you put your TP, like I usually mention, because of the way we execute our trades and the way we exit and manage them. So you just have to worry about your entry, your stop loss, momentum at 50% of the stop loss range, whether you target this area here or that area. The way you exit will determine how far you go. That's how the GU looks. And then that's about it for now, guys. USD, let's see. We don't really, I didn't see anything happening with the Euro USD earlier, so it's a bit tricky. Yeah, after this swing from yesterday, and I was explaining how using the Wushu toolbox would have been such a beautiful thing if you had it, because you should have gotten 5 out on this trade, and right before it tanked all the way down. But if we're to analyze it again from scratch, looking at the, I don't really see much happening using the classic trade. But now, if you get deeper into our bootcamp strategy, of course, you can see how you'd get into a nice bearish move, taking whatever you can. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Do I take Forex Factory News in consideration? Yes, I do. And fortunately, with our Wushu toolbox, it does show us the news. So whenever there's high intensity news or medium to high news coming up, it blocks us from trading. So we don't really take a look at that anymore. It does that for us. Awesome, guys. Do I use auto blocks? Yes, I do. Yeah, that's where now we get deeper into the strategy. We try to analyze the structure, BOS, structure, supply and demand, just getting deeper into those. And yeah, that's about it for the day, guys. We just covered what, 5 pairs in the free. So check out our free channel, Telegram channel, check out our website, check out our bootcamp, Wushu toolbox, and check you guys on Monday, pre-London session. Have an awesome day. Watch your risk. It's Friday after all, guys. Happy trading.